Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. And today we are still in our module 7 entitled Out and About. But for today's video, we are going to look at or focus on farm animals. So class, do you still remember what you have learned in our class from last week? Do you still remember these two pictures? Adakah murid masih ingat apa yang kamu belajar pada minggu lepas ataupun gambar yang kamu sedang lihat? So yes, last week you have learned about Uncle Sam's farm and Uncle Halim's farm. Okay, so you have looked at what animals live on Uncle Sam's farm, what animals live on Uncle Halim's farm. Alright, so these two pictures you have learned in our previous classes from last week. Okay, let's take a look. Let's focus on what is farm animal. Animal that we keep on farms are called farm animals. Okay, maksudnya ialah haiwan-haiwan ternakan ini, haiwan yang kita simpan di satu tempat seperti ladang yang kita panggil sebagai haiwan ternakan. So number 2, why do we need farm animals? Why do we need farm animals? Mengapa kita perlukan haiwan-haiwan ternakan ini? So number 2, the farm animals provide us food and clothes. The farm animals provide us food and clothes. Okay, haiwan-haiwan ternakan ini memberikan kita makanan dan juga pakaian. So these 4 pictures are the examples of farm animals. Ini adalah contoh yang biasanya haiwan ternakan yang diternak di dalam ladang. Number 1, we have cow. Okay. Number 2, chicken. Number 3, sheep, kambing biri-biri. Number 4, goat, iaitu kambing. So these 4 examples are the common one, okay, the common farm animals. Ini adalah contoh yang kita haiwan ternakan. So I have here on the screen is the picture of cow. Okay, so cow, as you can see in the picture, we have, you look at the 3 pictures of cows. Okay, ada 3 ekor lembu di situ. Okay, so the male one we call a bull, a female we called a cow, and a baby is called a calf. Okay, so itu adalah general info for you guys lah. Okay, cuma info untuk kamu. But we are going to look at or focus on what cow produce for us. Okay, apakah yang contoh-contoh lembu hasilkan kepada kita untuk kita hidup dan juga rutin harian kita. Alright, so these are some examples what cow produce for us, for human. Okay, you look at cow. Okay, so what products are made from cow? What products are made from cow? You can see in the picture. The first one is dairy product. Okay, dairy product comes from a cow. Okay, iaitu produk-produk tenusu seperti milk, cheese, yogurt, and also yes, cow produce meat. And as you can see, the 2 black pictures, they are a bag and a pair of shoes. Okay, dari mana kita boleh dapat itu bag dan juga kasut ialah leather. Leather to make shoes or bags, yaitu leather. Okay, leather means that the skin of the cow, yaitu kulit daripada lembu itu kita boleh buat menjadi kasut ataupun bag. Okay, number 2 is the example of sheep. Okay, right, so what products do sheep give us? Okay, So you look here, the 3 pictures of sheep yang ada 3 jenis kambing biri-biri di situ is for your general info. So the male one we call a ram, a female we called as ewe, a baby we called as lamb. Okay, but we need to focus on what sheep give us, okay, what they produce for us. So as you can see from the picture, these are the examples of products that come from sheep. Okay, dairy product, barang-barang tenusu as like milk, yogurt, and cheese, as same like the cow. And yes, the sheep produce meat, and also most importantly, the fur of the sheep, it produce wool and fur. Okay, jadi daripada bulu-bulu dia itu boleh hasilkan jacket, shoes, and many other things. Sebab dia boleh hasilkan benang-benang yang boleh digunakan untuk membuat baju. Alright, so the 2 pictures are examples of farm animal that you learned today. So this is for your project-based learning, okay, for your farm animal lab book. Number 1, you have to choose one farm animal. Kamu perlu pilih satu sahaja contoh haiwan ternakan yang kamu mau pilih untuk yang kamu mau buat dalam kamu punya farm animal. And number 2, okay, ini adalah apa yang perlu ada. What do you need to put in your lab book? Okay, lab book is like your mini book. So what does the farm animal eat? What does the farm animal produce? Alright, so you choose one farm animal, pilih satu haiwan ternakan yang kamu mau buat research, yang kamu mau buat cari maklumat mengenai haiwan itu. But make sure it's farm animal ya, haiwan-haiwan ternakan. And you find out about the farm animals. Cari info mengenai farm animal itu, iaitu ada 2 perkara yang kamu perlu fokus, iaitu what does the farm animal eat? Apa yang dia makan? What does the farm animal produce? Apakah hasil-hasil produk yang kita boleh dapat daripada haiwan ternakan itu? Alright, so good luck for your project.